2018, coaches from 7 Elite Soccer Academy attended a 2-day course delivered by Maximum Edge coach Keith Mayer. The aims and objectives were to help develop the importance of social interactions in team sports and to understand the importance of the STEP principle of space, task, equipment and players. Coaches were also asked to identify player shortfalls by adopting the SHIRT approach: see it, halt it, rehearse it, test it. Coaches were also tasked to create positive coaching environments which are secure and safe, promote positive learning experiences, are well planned with equipment placed correctly, and are a true representation of the game. Keith also included coach content about management of yourself and others, organisation of yourself, staff, players and session designs, technical detail of session objectives, and having clear, concise, precise, age-specific messages.
The challenge at times might not be within the player or the parent, it might be with you.
Okay. With 1 free hour, I
First team All-State.